Hi, I am Gagandeep Singh. Welcome to my channel. I have created this video to walk you through the process of creating a Jenkins project with Jacoco and SonarCube integration. This walkthrough assumes that you have a completely working Jenkins and SonarCube setup. Now, let's start by installing the required plugins. Let's start by adding the necessary plugins for SonarCube and Jacoco. Go to Manage Jenkins, click on Manage Plugins, click on Available and search for File System SCM. I won't find any because I've already installed it. So the name of the plugin is File System SCM plugin, and after that we have to add Jacoco plugin also, and then the SonarCube scanner plugin. So these three are the plugins that we have to install. Our next step would be to add the necessary dependencies for SonarCube and Jacoco in our pom.xml. Go to your project, open the pom.xml. Inside the plugin section, add these two dependencies. You can find them in the description below. Save and done. To configure these plugins, first you will have to generate a token from SonarCube. So go to SonarCube, login, go to Administration tab, Security, Users, click on Token, give a new name to any token, Generate. Copy the token, go back to Jenkins, Manage Credentials, Global, Add Credential, give a new name to your credential. It should be a secret text. Paste the API token, give it a name, Sonar token 2. OK. Once a SonarCube token is created, we will have to add it in our Jenkins. Go to Manage Jenkins, Configure System, go to SonarCube server, give any name to the SonarCube installation, specify the server URL. It should be localhost 9000 or any other URL where the SonarCube instance is running. In Server Authentication Token, select the newly created token, click on Save. We will now configure SonarCube and Maven installation in our Jenkins. Go to Manage Jenkins, Global Tool Configuration, scroll down to SonarCube Scanner, click on SonarCube Scanner installation, click on Add SonarCube Scanner, give any name, click on the checkbox Install Automatically and make sure the topmost SonarCube Scanner version is selected. Make sure you tick on Install Automatically to avoid any unnecessary issues later on. Click on Apply. After that, click on Maven installation. Click on Add Maven. Give any name to your Maven installation. You can either install automatically or you can give a Maven home path if you have already installed it. Click on Save. Let's create a new Jenkins project. Click on New Item. Give any name to your project. Dummy project. Click on Freestyle project. OK. Here in SCM, specify file system and copy the path to your application as we are not using Git. Make sure the application contains pom.xml in its root directory. After that, click on Clear Workspace to prevent unnecessary issues. Then on Build, click on Top Level Maven Target. On Goal, click on Package. And then add another build step for SonarCube. Here we have to add few analysis properties. The project key here represents the project name in our SonarCube application. Now we will add post build action for Jacoco plugin. Here we do not need to change anything, and one last for JUnit test report. For Spring Boot application, we will have to specify the path to the test reports. The path will be save and click on build now. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to build this project. So I have fast forwarded this video. Once the build is complete, you will see this message finish success at the bottom. After that, when you go back, you will see two diagrams for test result trend and code coverage trend. Now, if I click on test result trend, you will see the code coverage summary. Other than that, for Jacoco coverage report, you can see this detailed description of everything. Now, for we can click on SonarQube and we will see the details of our project. Here, when I click on overall code, it will show us all the problems and quality related issues of our project. So, in this way, we can create a Jenkins project with Jacoco, JUnit, and SonarQube integration. If you have any queries or doubts, or you are facing any issues, you can post them in the comments below. Thank you.